Okay, welcome back, teacher fan. Today I'm going to show you how to compose a note to your followers on Teachers Pay Teachers. My name's Jenna. I ran Oh Happy Day Teaching, and today I want to show you how to make a graphic that looks like this that you can send in your note to followers on Teachers Pay Teachers. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do when sending a note to followers is go to your Teachers Pay Teachers store. You're going to click on the little house icon and click on the button that says Note to Followers. This is where you are going to compose your note and send it to the people who follow you on Teachers Pay Teachers. You'll start by clicking this green Compose Note button. The first thing that it wants you to do is write a subject. Since I send out a monthly newsletter to all of my followers on Teachers Pay Teachers, I am going to name it something monthly. So I'm going to start with Happy February, and then I'm going to put something to entice people to click into the note. So I'm going to say somebody say Valentine's freebies. From here, I'm just going to leave the text portion blank because I'm going to make a graphic that I make on Canva for all of my monthly note to followers, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. So in Canva, I have a template that I use every month to make my note to followers, and I am going to start by clicking make a copy of that template. So this is the copy of that template, and I'm going to rename it with the name of the month. So I will just say, instead of copy of, we will highlight that, February, note to followers. Okay. So now that we're in the template, we just need to make it for the month. So the first thing that you're going to do is just fill in the month. So I just say February newsletter. And then down here, instead of saying happy month, obviously you're going to just fill that in with whichever month you are celebrating. And then a monthly quote goes here. Typically, I do some sort of theme for each month. And so my monthly quote would be centered around that theme. My theme for February is just about enjoying February. So how to enjoy the month February. Okay. Next, I just include a little picture of myself or something that goes with the month in this next box. Since all of these are little image templates, all you have to do is click and drag a picture over that template, which makes it nice and easy to, so maybe I'll just do this little picture of myself and kind of just zoom. And I always like to make sure that my head is like in the top quarters of this graphic and that I'm kind of centered in the middle. So that will work. And then the next part that I'm going to do is this featured product part. The first thing that you want to do is fill in the featured products names. So I am featuring my Valentine's class party bundle and my Who is Cupid Valentine's Escape the Room. And these are products that I want people to buy during this month because they're themed around the month. So to get the graphics for this, I just go to my Teachers Pay Teachers. You can just click finish later on this note to followers. I pull up the picture of the product that I am featuring and grab a little screenshot of the graphic so that I can insert it there. So I already have those grabbed. So here's my Valentine's class party celebration, and then my Who is Cupid. And like I said, you can just click and drag them. It makes it super easy. And sometimes you do have to adjust the little elements, and that's totally fine as well. Okay, so the last part is just the freebie. And so I give out a freebie every single month on my newsletter. If you sign up for my email subscriber list, I give out 2 freebies, but on my notes to follower, I just give out 1. And so my freebie this month is going to be my Valentine's printable coloring cards so that students can color if they don't bring Valentine's in. So I'm just going to grab that off of my email subscriber list. And I'm just going to screenshot this image, just like that. Now I'll go back to Canva, upload that file, and then click and drag it into the template, just like so. Now, the last thing that I need to make sure I do is these pictures are all hyperlinked, as well as this is hyperlinked for the freebie. So I need to make sure all those links are in. So for the Valentine's class party celebration, I'm just going to go to my store. I'm going to click on Valentine's Day products, and then I'm just going to grab the link for both of the products that I am promoting. So the first one is this Valentine's class celebration. So I will grab that one and then just hit backspace. In Canva, you just click on the picture, hit the little pencil icon, and paste in the link, and then hit done. Now I'll do the same thing for the Cupid product. Copy, back to Canva, hover over the picture, click on the pencil, and then update that link. Now for this one, since it's a freebie, we want to copy the Google link so people can just download it immediately. So for this one, I have that freebie in my Google Drive. So I'm just going to go over to the PDF of it. I am going to click on, and then you just want to change restricted to anyone with the link, and then copy that link. Go back in to Canva, select the picture. You'll click on the 3 little dots next to it, and then you'll click on link, and then you just put in that link, and then you can double check that link as well. So now I'm thinking that my graphic is done. I'll just double check I have the correct month. I have my little quote, my featured products, my freebies, all these links are correct. The last thing that I always keep the same is, since on my note to followers, I'm only giving away 1 freebie, and on my email subscriber, I'm giving away 2. I try to get people to convert from my notes to followers to my email subscriber list. So I just say, love this product, want more, click here to join my email list, and I have that hyperlinked to where people can join my list. So now that the graphic is done, you need to download it twice, and this is a really important step. So you're going to go up to here to share, you're going to click download, and you can download it as a PNG. And then the second thing you are going to download it is a PDF. And that is going to help make sure that all of your links are clickable. So everything that you hyperlinked will be clickable if you do it this way. So in your Google Drive, you're going to want to upload that PDF of the graphic that we just did. So that is now, I just clicked and dragged it into my Google Drive, and now that's right here. So I'm going to click share, share again, restricted with anyone to link. Viewer is perfect, and then you'll just click copy link. Okay, now we can go over to our note to followers on Teachers Pay Teachers. Since we started it earlier, but we said finish later, you're going to want to go to your drafts and then click into the one that we were just working on. Okay, so you can add a little message here. I like to say, hello, happy teachers. Welcome to the month of February. I love this month with all the cutie Valentines. Hoping you enjoy. Just a little note to make sure that you're not just jumping right into the graphic. And sometimes I do that as well. I just jump right in. But I like to include a little message if I can. And I do center this because the picture that we're going to insert is also going to be centered. So now's the important part. You're going to click on the picture. And the first thing that you want to do is paste optional page URL. So you want to paste that Google Drive link that we got from the sharing into that part. And then you are going to upload the image here. So this is the image that we just downloaded from Canva. So remember, you're uploading the image from Canva, the PNG that we did. And then the link that you are uploading is going to be that shareable link that you copied off of your Google Drive. And that is really important. If you don't do it like this, then it will not work and your picture will not be clickable. So you have to make sure that you put the page URL in. And then you just click add. And then now that is all in there. And then the last thing I do like to add is Teachers Pay Teachers allows you to enter in like a carousel of featured products. So I always just click on that and enter in anything else. So like my Valentine's bulletin board is also a freebie, my February monthly bundle, and anything else that I might want to add that I have featured for the month, but I didn't feature in my newsletter. And then I'm going to also feature my February morning meeting slides. I have to click this little green add resources button. Perfect. And it looks like actually we have room for one more. So we're going to add this one too. Okay. So now I have all those in there. the graphics in there and the messages in there. So now you're going to go to preview and schedule. And for the preview, you can click and make sure that your link is working. It's going to the right thing on your Google Drive and that all of your links from your graphic that we put in on Canva are working. Now, I've done this a bunch of times, so I'm not going to test my links because I think that they are all going to be right. But once you have tested that, you can just go down here to schedule. Since I want this to go out on February 1st, not today, which is January 29th, I am going to click on the 1st, and then I'm just going to click schedule send. And then now we have it here scheduled. All right, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that you can stay tuned for more content that I put out. And of course, if you want to use the template that I used in the video, I'm making it available through the link that you can click below. So thank you so much. See you next time.